Hi, my name is Bren Hickman. I'm the project manager here at Glassboard Studios, and I'm excited to give you guys an insight about our company and about our products that are great. About myself, I am a business management and marketing major at Utah Valley University. I have my associates in business management. I have experience in digital marketing and blogging, and I'm excited to give you guys that insight today about us. We're a local company based in Pleasant Grove, Utah, and we've been in business for about 2 years and excited for the future. We offer here at Glassboard Studios these awesome customizable glass whiteboards. They're durable, dry erase, and magnetic. And they're really great for any office space and to put a piece of art in the room. We also offer things like our sticker doodles, which are great for kids and doing things like chore charts. Thank you guys for watching this video and learning about us here at Glassboard Studios. I hope it was interesting and that you come back and subscribe to my blog and give this video a thumbs up. So thank you guys and have a good one.